Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Uphold's privacy features. Let's get straight into it. First thing you want to do is to log into your Uphold accounts. You could do that on the website, or you could use the mobile app. Next, you want to click on the privacy or settings tab. Next, you can click on the private mode or stealth mode, and you can toggle the switch to enable private mode and confirm that you want to enable private mode. Next, you want to use encrypted messaging, so you just click on encrypted messaging or secure messaging, and then enable encrypted messaging for secure communications on Uphold support. Next, you can manage cookie preferences, so you want to click on cookie preferences or cookie settings, and you can manage your cookie preferences to control how Uphold uses cookies. And the last step is to review your privacy settings and confirm that they are accurate. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Uphold's privacy features. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.